Hello guys, in this video we'll be seeing a one special problem on moments uh, where we need to find the arbitrary values at certain point. For example, if we say that at point 2 or point 4 or point 5, we have to find the arbitrary values or the moments based on the point value. So we'll be looking that kind of problems in that kind of problem. So let me explain the question to you. The question will be as follows. The first four moments of a distribution about the value 4 of a variable are. So they are saying that there is a the first four moments of a distribution at a value 4. So at a value 4 is nothing but the x value. X is equal to 4. So for x is equal to 4. So you can consider x is equal to x is equal to 4 or a is equal to 4 of the variables are. What did we say? Minus 1.5, 17, minus 30 and 108. And we need to find the moments. We need to find about the mean as well as beta 1 and beta 2. We need to find mean, beta 1 comma beta 2. Also we should find the mean and beta 1 about origin as well as the at the point x is equal to 2. So this is the main question we have to solve. So they have given us at x is equal to 4 or a is equal to 4. We have minus 1.5, 17, minus 30 and 108 as our arbitrary values. So we need to find the mean beta 1 and beta 2 or moments, as well as we have to find about the origin. We have to find the uh, origin values as well as at point 2. So hope the question is clear to you. So let me solve this problem for you. So here a is equal to 4. For a is equal to 4, we have our arbitrary values u1 dash is equal to minus 1.5 and mu2 dash is equal to 17, mu3 dash is equal to minus 30 and mu4 dash is equal to 108. So these are the values. So we have to find the moments. In all the previous videos we have done the moments based on the observation table, but in this type of problems they will directly provide the arbitrary values. We have to find the moments. So finding moments. So if you remember the formula, just directly write u1 is always 0 and mu2 is mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. Mu1 dash square. What is mu2 dash? Mu2 dash is 17 minus mu1 dash of minus 1.5 whole square is equal to, take your calculator, 17 minus of minus 1.5 square, which results to 14 points. So mu2 is equal to 14.75. So coming to mu3 is nothing but mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash mu1 dash plus it is 2 mu1 dash power 3. So what is mu3 dash? Mu3 dash is minus 30 minus 3 of mu1 dash, it is 17, mu2 dash it is minus 1.5 plus 2 of mu1 dash. So what is mu1 dash? Minus 1.5 power 3. So let us do that. So minus 30 minus 3 of 17 close bracket minus 1.5 close bracket plus 2 of minus 1.5 close bracket power 3. So which results to 39.75. So mu3 is equal to 39.75. So let us solve for mu4. Mu4 is equal to mu4 dash minus 4 mu3 dash mu1 dash plus 6 mu2 dash mu1 dash square, and later it will be a negative of 3 mu1 dash power 4. So what is mu4 dash? It is 108 minus 4 of mu3 dash is minus 30 of mu1 dash is minus 1.5 plus 6 of mu2 dash is 17, mu1 dash minus 1.5 power square minus 3 of mu1 dash is minus 1.5 power 4. So let us solve this. So 108 minus 4 of minus 30 close bracket, from bracket minus 1.5 close bracket plus 6 of 17 close bracket into minus 1.5 square minus 3 of minus 1.5 power 4. So it is 142.3, 142.31. So mu 4 we got as 142.3. So this is the finding of moments. So let us find the beta and gamma value also. So the formula of beta 1 is mu 3 square by mu 2 power 3. So if it is base 3, camera is blurred, I think so. Just a small simple trick to remember B1 is, if you have mu 3 base 2, just reverse the power as well as the base and write it in the denominator. What is mu 3? Mu 3 is 39.75 square by, what is mu 2? Is 14.75 whole power 3. So beta 1 is equal to 39.75 square divided by 14.75 power 3. So which results to 0.492. So beta 1 is 0.492. Let's find gamma. So gamma 1 is nothing but root of beta 1. So let us take the root of answer. So we will be getting gamma 1 as 0.70. Now solve for beta 2. So beta 2 is nothing but mu 4 by mu square. Split the 4 into 2 parts, that is 2 hence the formula. So what is mu 4? 142.31 by what is mu 2? 14.75 whole square. So beta 2 is equal to 142.31 divided by 14.75 square, which results to 0.654. So beta 2 is 0.654. Now let us find gamma 2. Gamma 2 is nothing but we have to subtract minus 3 from beta 2. Beta 2 minus 3. That is beta 2 is 0.654 minus 3. So let us subtract 3 from that solution. So we will be getting gamma 2. So gamma 2 is equal to minus 2.345. So we have find the solution for, we have find all the 4 moments at a point 4, or 4 of x is equal to 4. So we have find this question. So we have to find about the origin as well as the point x is equal to 2. So let us find about the origin. So before we going to before we going to solve for origin, origin is nothing but this 0 point. So we have to consider a is equal to 0. Now guys, we have find the beta 1 and beta 2 and the moments, but we didn't find the mean. So let us calculate the mean first. Later we will be going to the origin problem. So mean. So what is mean formula? Mean of x bar is equal to a plus h by n sigma ft. Here a is 4, 1 h is height, n is the sum of the frequencies, f is the frequency, and d is the deviation. Just once try to remember that we can write x bar is equal to a plus, you can find that mu 1, you know that mu 1 dash formula is 1 by n sigma fd. So if you remember this, you can directly substitute the value here. So what is mu 1 dash? 1 by n sigma fd. What is mu 2 dash? Mu 2 dash is 1 by n sigma fd square. If you remember it, you can directly substitute in the formula. So we can replace 1 by n sigma fd. So let us replace with the formula. So h of mu1 dash. I have already told you that in the moments h is negligible. So that for h is negligible means that let us consider here h is equal to 1. So if h is equal to 1, x bar is equal to a plus mu I dash. So this is the formula we get. So let us calculate x value. X value is nothing but what is a value? A value is 4. So 4 plus mu dash of 1. What did you get mu dash of 1? Mu dash of 1 is minus 1.5. Minus 1.5. So let us do that. We will be getting around 2.5. So x bar is equal to 2.5. So we have calculated the mean also. Mean beta 1 and beta 2. As the problem is solved for the position of x is equal to 4. So let us find about the origin and the point x is equal to 2. Coming to the origin. So first let us find all the arbitrary values first. We know that a bar is equal to 0 at the origin, and x bar we already got to know that x bar is equal to 2.5. So let us find mu1 dash, because at every point we have to create another separate arbitrary points. So what is mu formula? X bar is equal to a plus mu1 dash. So we don't know what is mu1 dash, but we know what is x and a bar. So let us find the mu1 dash. So mu1 dash is equal to x bar minus a. So what is x bar? 4. So it is 2.5. A value here is 0 and the previous a value is 4. 2.5 minus 0, which results to mu1 dash is equal to 2.5. So now let us find all the attributes. Mu1 we got as 2.5. For finding mu2 dash value, you have to use the formula. You have to use this formula. So to get mu2 dash, we have to take mu1 dash square that side to get mu2 dash. I will do it here, so don't get any confused. So we know that mu2 is equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square by the relation of mean and arbitrary values. But what we need the arbitrary values, that is mu2 dash. So if you need mu2 dash is equal to, send this mu1 dash square to the left side, mu2 plus mu1 dash square. What is mu2 value? Mu2 value we already got it as 14.75 plus what is mu1 dash square. We got mu1 as 2.5. We have to square it. So let us take it and calculate 14.75 plus of 2.5 square. So we got solution as 21. So mu2 dash is 21. So this is equation 2. So let us solve for mu3 dash also. Mu3 dash. So for mu3 we have to take mu3 is equal to mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash mu1 dash plus 2 mu1 dash power 3. So we want mu3 dash. Send all these values, all this term to the left side. So we'll be getting mu3 dash is equal to mu3 plus 3 mu2 dash mu1 dash minus 2 mu1 dash power 3. So substitute all the values. Here mu3 is 39.75. So we got 39.75 plus 3 of what is mu2 value? Mu2 dash value is 21 and mu1 dash value is 2.5 minus 2 of 2.5 power 3. So let us solve this. 39.75 plus 3 of 21 is the bracket 2.5 minus 2 of 2.5 or 3. So we got a solution of 166. So mu3 dash is 166. So let us find for mu4 also. What is mu4? Mu4 is nothing but mu4 dash minus 4 mu3 dash mu1 dash plus 6 mu2 dash mu1 dash, and it will be minus 3 mu1 dash power 4. So what is mu4 dash? We don't know. We have to find the mu4 dash. So take all this term to the left side. So mu4 dash is equal to mu4 plus 4 mu 3 dash mu 1 dash minus 6 mu 2 dash mu 1 dash plus 3 mu 1 dash power 4. So substitute all the values. You know that mu 4 value is 142.31. So 142.31 plus 4 of what is mu 3 dash value? Mu 3 dash value is 166. 166 of mu 1 dash value is 2.5 minus 6 of mu 2 dash. Mu 2 dash is 21. What is mu 1 dash value? 2.5 plus 3. Mu 1 dash value is 2.5 power 4. So this is the entire solution. So let us find the solution. 142.31 plus 4 of 166, close the bracket, open bracket, 2.5, close the bracket, minus 6 of 21, close the bracket, open the bracket, 2.5 plus 3 of 2.5, close the bracket, power 4. So we have done a small mistake in the formula. It should be square here. So 2.5 square. So let us calculate it again. 142.31 plus 4 of 166, close the bracket, into 2.5, close the bracket, minus 6 of 21 of 2.5. It should be square, plus we have missed the square before, plus 3 of 2.5 power 4, which results to 1131.99. So mu 4 dash is equal to 113.9. This is the actual process to find any arbitrary values at any particular point. So let us solve at the point 2 also. At point 2. So we have to calculate the mu 1 again for at the point 2. So let us calculate x bar is equal to a plus mu 1 dash. So we know a value is here, a value is 2 and x bar is 2.5 a plus mu 1 dash. So we need to calculate mu 1 dash. Mu 1 dash is nothing but we have to take that side. We will be getting around 0.5. So mu 1 is 0.5. So now we have to calculate all the arbitrary values again. So we got mu 1 dash value. So we need to find mu 2 dash value. So mu 2 is equal to, we need to find mu 2 dash. So mu 2 is nothing but the mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash square. So taking that side, mu 2 dash is equal to mu 2 plus mu 1 dash square. So what is mu 2? You have to take the mu 2. What did you get mu 2 value? Mu 2 is 14.75. So 14.75 plus mu 2 dash whole square, that is 0.5 whole square. We will be getting, so 14.75 plus of 0.5 square. So we got 15. So mu 2 dash is 15. Mu 2 dash is 15. So let us find mu 3. Mu 3 formula. So mu 3 dash minus 3 mu 2 mu 1 dash plus 2 mu 1 dash power 3. So we need to find mu 3 value. So mu 3 dash is equal to mu 3 plus 3 mu 2 dash mu 1 dash minus 2 mu 1 dash power 3. So what is mu 2? What is mu 3? Mu 3 value is 39.75. 39.75 plus 3 mu 2 dash. What is mu 2 dash? We got dash 15. What is mu 1 dash value? 0.5 minus 2 of what is 0.5 power 3. So we will be getting a solution of 39.75 plus 3 of 15 of 0.5 minus 2 of 0.5 power 3. So we got the solution of 62 mu 3 dash. So let us find for mu 1 mu 4 dash also. before mu4 is equal to mu4 dash, it is minus 4, mu3 dash mu1 dash plus 6, mu2 dash mu1 dash square, minus 3 mu1 dash power 4. So what is mu4 dash? We don't know. We have to calculate the mu4 dash. So mu4 dash is equal to mu4 plus 4 mu3 dash mu1 dash minus 6 mu2 dash mu1 dash square plus 3 mu and dash bar, what is 4. So what is mu4? Mu4, we know that mu4 is 142.31. So 142.31 142.31 plus 4 of mu3 dash. Mu3 dash is 62. What is mu1 dash is 0.5 minus 6 of what is mu2 dash. Mu2 dash is 15, and mu2 dash square, that is 0.5 square plus 3 of what is mu1 dash, that is 0.5 power 4. So let me solve this. 142.31 plus 4 of 62 of 0.5 minus 6 of 15 of 0.5 square plus 3 of 0.5 power 4. So we got the solution of 143.99. Sorry, it is 243.99. So mu4 dash is equal to this. So this is the way we need to calculate any arbitrary points or moments at a particular point or origin. There any point, if they give 22 or 30 or 50 or any value, we have to find each and every value in this process itself. I think you have got the entire process. There is nothing much to worry. They have given a point at which they told that we will be having an arbitrary points as minus 1.5, 17, minus 30 and 108. We need to find mean, beta and beta 2. So in we also find the, so to find mean we need to get the x value. So we have taken the arbitrary values and we have find all the moments, and later we find the mean. X bar is equal to a plus h by n sigma ft. So 1 by n sigma ft is nothing but the mu1 dash value. So if you substitute mu1 dash here, we'll be getting a plus h of mu1 dash. Here, I already told that in moments h value is negligible. That is, if you take h value is 1, so it will be x bar is equal to a plus mu1 dash. So what is a at 10 point? We took the point as 4. So 4 plus what is u1 dash? U1 dash is minus 1.5. So we will be getting a mean of 2.5. So we find the mean. So later we need to calculate the betas and gammas. So we have calculated the beta 1, which results to 0.492, and gamma 1 0.7, and beta 2 it is 0.654, and gamma 2 minus 2.345. Later we found the arbitrary values at a particular point, that is from origin. At origin we have find the mu1 dash first, and later we try to find the mu2 dash, mu3 dash and mu4 dash respectively. And we also found the values of arbitrary values at point 2, that is equal to mu1 dash is equal, we have calculated the mu1 dash value. Later we calculate mu2 dash value, mu3 dash value and mu4 dash value. This is the entire process. This is a very simple case process. This might be a 7 marks problem. If you have time around 15 minutes, you just try to solve this, or else you just leave this problem. So this is the basic way to solve this kind of problems. Thank you.